Changing direct into indirect speech 2. The first one is about time and place change. In order to fit with the time of reporting, we need to change the time and place. Take a look at the following examples. Today in direct speech could be yesterday or that day with indirect speech. Yesterday could be the previous day or the day before. Now could be then. Next week, the following week. Tomorrow, the following day. This, that. And here, there. Examples: It's Jim's birthday today, Jane said. The indirect speech is Jane said it was Jim's birthday that day. Mom said you should clean the house now. The indirect speech is Mom told me I should clean the house then. I like this movie so much, he said. The indirect speech is he said he liked that movie so much. The last one, I'll meet you here, Bob said. The indirect speech is Bob said he would meet me there. But remember, be careful when changing time and places because this still depends on the given situation. The second one is regarding questions. For WH questions, we simply follow the pattern WH question plus noun plus verb. Examples: Where do you live? The policeman asked. The indirect speech is the policeman asked where I lived. Another one: Who is that woman? The indirect speech is he asked who that woman was. For yes/no questions, we simply use if or whether. Examples: Will you come with me? Jim asked. The indirect speech is Jim asked whether I would come with him. The second one: Do you have a problem? My friend asked. The indirect speech is my friend asked if I had a problem. The last one are the reporting verbs. Said, told, and asked are the most common reporting verbs, but there's still a lot of verbs that we can use depending on the situation. Some of these are invited, offered, suggested, advised, accused, begged, ordered, promised, explained, and so on. For our exercise, change the given direct speech into indirect speech. The first one: Do you have any siblings? He asked. There are two correct indirect speeches for this. The first one is he asked if I had any siblings. The second one: he asked whether I had any siblings. This is a yes/no question. That's why we can use if or whether. The second one: You should go now, Bob ordered. The indirect speech is Bob ordered that I should go then. Now was changed into then. Another one: Who are your parents? The woman asked. The indirect speech is the woman asked who my parents were. This is a WH question. That's why we need to follow the pattern WH question plus noun plus verb. The fourth one, I want to buy this dress, Claire said. The indirect speech is, Claire said she wanted to buy that dress. This was changed into that. The last one, do you like it here? He asked. There are also two possible answers for this. The first one is, he asked whether I liked it there. The second one, he asked if I liked it there. Here was changed into there. And since this is a yes/no question, we can use whether or if. Did you get them right?